What are y'all watching?
How about you do it the other way around? How about we do it the other way around? You watching on my Discord.
Can you explain what you're watching? I didn't click on it.
Okay,
Tax, is your YouTube name still the same?
No.
Like, is it?
Just click,
like,
just click on her Twitch thing and then like click on YouTube. It should be linked immediately.
Oh, I regret it. I regret it.
Ow.
Your stream is so ADHD core. I think this is beyond ADHD.
This
is what your ADHD feels like. That you must like have like.
If this is what ADHD feels like, I'd be living the life. I'm watching Kami's stream and yours, and I have no idea how I'm able to see still. Except for her obsession with Sephiroth. That's a little odd.
No, that was also part raised right. That's
yeah, Sephiroth is valid.
I don't think Sephiroth is valid. I don't think
Miss Kelly's agreeing too.
Yeah.
I can
I'm
notice
just saying. If she's saying I like the personality, I don't know what it's like. Now, if she's saying the character design, he's pretty cool looking.
I agree.
If it's like I like how evil he is, then that's different. I can't really tell you.
True.
I think he's epic looking. But if you're like,
who said I wanted to fix him? I think we're confused. I never said I wanted to.
I want to team up with him. Is this what your conquest of murderers?
Such a name.
I'm not over fire of my. Why does that sound like a Dark Souls boss? Like what?
Ingrid is a Dark Souls boss. He is a Dark
sorry,
Souls
Mr. Flaccid.
You have a
so
goated
sorry.
name. Me personally.
Yeah, I love your name. I just didn't want to say it. Okay, like they would have something would have happened. It would have got clipped. I didn't want to say it.
Crazy laugh.
Youch.
Miss editing videos. That used to be so fun.
Wait, this is good editing. Hold on.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Get on my point, Mercy. You better die.
What was that particular image?
Is that fucking Jimmy Neutron?
Oh my gosh, that scared me.
Like, ow. Oh?
The Sonic game is so good.
Yeah, you missed your hog. I mean, you missed your hog. You missed your hook, loser.
You missed your hog. Wait, this is actually so peak tax. This is kind of goated. That scared me.
Fucking microphone geek.
Yeah.
What the fuck is
Where do you find these?
There's so many cursed images in this.
This is like fucking Mario Judah.
Mario Judah. Wait, Tax, I feel like you could really cook on like YouTube Shorts or like Instagram.
Yeah, I was about to say this is like amazing short content.
Yeah, this is really good short content. I'm kicking my feet. No, I'm being serious.
No, it's actually good. It's good.
What the fuck was that?
I want to give a couple shoutouts to Steven. Bro, what, these are so cursed.
Take it back. I don't want it. Let me know. Let me know. You try slamming it really hard. It's just so
I
bad.
slammed my penis in the car door.
Bro, I'm not. Sorry. Oh, it becomes so second nature for you to say that. I didn't even like react to it.
Hey, Jimmy. I slammed my.
Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom. I wish I knew how to sound like Sheen.
That's hard to do.
Yeah, I know. He's like, no. He just kind of sounds like.
You'll never defeat me,
Jimmy Coon.
Gary, you're making Becky angry.
He's like, he's coming down like Conquest. He's like, I'm here for Jimmy's mom. It's just
Wait a minute. What's the conquest line? Hold on.
I'm so lonely.
talking about the
So lonely.
The other Viltrumites, they're scared of me.
The other Viltrumites, they're scared of me.
Conquest, they don't even give me a name.
Conquest, they don't even give me a name.
That's so good. I can see the future, and you don't live to see tomorrow.
Jimmy Coon, you don't live to see tomorrow.
That's so fucking dumb.
Oh no, it's so good. I love whatever's happening here. Look, actually, this reminds me of something I saw. It was like a voice acting competition held in like someone's Discord, and everyone just like put in auditions, and it was like Stitch yelling at Z Broly and Master Roshi or something.
Your fist guts me.
Miku,
I'm thinking Tweeku.
Yeah, this Hornet with the fucking J's is
What's wrong, Jer Bear?
No, I would get offended because Jerry from Tom and Jerry is one of my arts. Like if I had if I went Super Saiyan, I'm fighting Jerry first.
I'm fighting Jerry first. He's getting pieced up first.
Him and Scrappy Doo are gonna have like a world full of pain.
Scrappy Doo.
What did Scrappy do?
Exactly. His name alone. He's always like, "Name me or he's got his Brooklyn accent. Scooby.
He's already
I get pressed over Jerry. It's I don't know something about it. It's like
pressed over Jerry. Fuck Tom.
Nah. One has a will to survive. The other one's petty for no reason.
Not fuck Tom. Fuck Jerry. You're right.
Yeah.
Jerry sucks.
Scrappy Doo is an unnecessary hatred. He's just a little bit annoying, but Jerry actually deserves to be hated.
No, Jerry deserves to be hated. That guy's a freak. I agree. I was thinking the wrong way. My bad.
This fucking emojis.
Play it.
So fucking good.
It's so peak.
It's such a good image, bro.
Good, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh my
that
gosh.
Wait,
emote
Todd,
is
you
so
know what you have to add next now, right?
What?
You have to add the one of fucking Sonic and Shadow staring up.
Oh yeah, that one's so good too. The dear god. There it is. That one's so good. Oh, it's so good.
Welcome to Ireland,
Dear God. What?
What is it?
The fucking
What is this?
silver one.
It's silver out of fucking
Yeah, that's
so peak.
That's actually for the video. It's very peak.
Then you take
Which
the
one?
sun.
Is it in...
Yeah, I could do it.
Oh, Krabby's here now?
Yeah.
Hello, Crabber.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Crabbert.
So, Field said to prepare you guys. For what's
Why?
to come.
Okay, the worst of it is probably past. I might not remember any of this tomorrow, but I thought tax was genuinely like a separate part of my consciousness.
Yeah, you literally said it in the Discord call. Me and Jelly was so confused.
No,
I forgot what you said one time, but it was like way too far. You were like, what did you say? It was like arm or something. I don't remember what you said.
Oh, ankle. Ankle.
Oh yeah, ankle deep. Ankle deep.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
And then they're like, which way? And I was like,
I was there for that.
Yeah. I was like, yeah, which way do you mean?
No, he said the whole foot was in there.
No, I didn't know if you meant like cave diver or like his
Cave
foot.
diver. Yeah, I left it up to interpretation. So then I was like, oh, okay. You know what? I take it back. I don't want to do this no more.
Fucking ridiculous, dude.
Dude, it's so
peak.
banging. It's so good. It's peak. This is peak.
Oh yeah, it's actually kind of peak.
Videos with the Sonic. It's so good.
Oh yeah.
Dude, he's
Okay.
dancing. Look at him.
Okay.
It
brings
peace to my weary soul.
Yeah,
Why
if you
did they
didn't like
keep
how
that,
you normally sounded, it would.
It would make me like freak out.
Yeah, you'd be like.
I started
I
getting
told you it's that
panic
whole thing where it's like, that's what I've been doing to people.
attacks.
That's why I was fighting for my life. I was like, there's no way this is a cheap microphone. 'Cause, like, every time you got close to it, I was like, that's way too clear for it to be a cheap microphone.
I wonder what it looks like
I
with
can-
the muffler. What does it sound like now?
Super
Sounds-
clear.
Sounds just about as clear. You just sound less like you're breathing down my neck.
Oh my god, no.
It's Ratatouille.
See?
Ratatouille.
Rats. In your heart, it was higher.
Oh my heart.
May I take your hat, sir?
I went-
May I take your hat,
May I take-
sir?
Oh my lord. Oh, oh my goodness. It was so good.
I can tell you're really enjoying your pizza.
Oh yeah.
Quan's relationship with food is kind of a scary one. It's not sexual, but it borders it.
That's a crazy way to describe that. You're never gonna be my wingman ever. I will never take you to a bar or any outing that I go out with someone ever in any universe. Not only because it's accurate, but also I don't want to, no one wants to hear you say that. Dude, what's that? I wish I was good enough at editing to stream edit.
I surprised myself to